Tesla just had an event in Miami called The Future of Autonomy. Visualized, but a video from it is going viral for all the wrong reasons. The clip shows a Tesla Optimus robot knocking over water bottles on a table. Then, its arms do this weird motion like someone is. It's hilarious. So what happened? The most likely explanation is that a person was secretly controlling the robot. When the operator took off their headset, the robot mimicked the motion and fell. The funny part is, this event was all about autonomy. This isn't the first time Optimus has been caught faking it. Remember the video of it folding laundry? Turns out, that was also controlled by a person. People are now so skeptical that other robot companies have to label their videos to prove they're real. So, while Elon Musk promises 1 billion robots, it seems Optimus can't even hand out water without a human puppeteer.